Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit. It's got 20,000 miles on it. It's a CARFAX One-Owner. Okay, it is a certified piece. It's this Alabaster Silver Metallic. And I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll make our way down the driver's side here. Everything looks really good. No problems down that side. We'll make our way across the rear. Alright, it does have rear backup camera. No problems along the back of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks to be in really good shape. It is a 15 with 20,000 miles, so it's pretty new. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, one thing I did want to mention right here on the door handle on the driver's side, it's just a little chip of paint missing right here, and then a few scratches right there. But other than that, everything looks really good on the exterior of this vehicle. Alright, door panel in here looks really good. This is a driver's side door panel. It's got the two-tone black with gray. Really cool little cloth strip right there, a little insert. Alright, gray cloth seats. Alright, the cloth looks really good here. No problems whatsoever with the driver's seat. Alright, it does come with two key fobs. And the passenger seat cloth's in really good shape as well. Alright, the Civic's been well taken care of. Automatic transmission. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet right there. Climate control area, CD player. Alright. It is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Okay, want to go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. You got 20,085 miles. And I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera for you as well. Alright, there you go. Alright, we've had the air conditioner now on for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing nice and cold with the AC. No problems there. Alright. Nice view of the driver's eye view there. Kind of let you see the dash layout. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Door panels back here in the back seat look good. Go ahead and check out the cloth back here. It's in really good shape as well. No issues at all. I'm going to stick my head in here, kind of give another perspective of the dash and the layout. Everything looks really good. Let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. Carpet's in good shape back here. I'll go ahead and step to the side so you can see the depth, what you're dealing with as far as storage. Plenty of storage back there. Everything looks good. Go ahead and give you another shot of the passenger seat. Cloth's in good shape. Door panel's good as well. Let's go ahead and let you look at the wheels and tires.
They work very hard now.
15-inch steel wheels on here. Tires are in good shape. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's got 20,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Alright, it's got a CARFAX One-Owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.